Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Spellbook AI, a tool that claims to revolutionize how we handle legal contracts using artificial intelligence. In this Spellbook AI demo, I'll be giving you my full review on whether it's truly the best AI contract review and drafting assistant out there. So what exactly is Spellbook? Spellbook is an AI-powered plugin that works right inside Microsoft Word, designed to help lawyers and legal professionals review. It uses a model similar to GPT-4, but is specifically trained on a massive database of legal knowledge. The core idea is to save you hours of manual work. As you're reading a contract in Word, Spellbook can instantly suggest new clauses, highlight unusual or risky language, and even explain complex sections in plain English. It can also scan the entire document for potential risks and missing terms, giving you a powerful second set of eyes. On the drafting side, you can simply describe what you need in plain language, and it will generate a complete clause for you in seconds. The positive aspects are clear. It's a huge time saver, it integrates seamlessly into a familiar workflow, and it helps catch things you might otherwise miss. However, the website is clear that this is an assistant, not a replacement for a lawyer's judgment. It's a tool to enhance your work, not to automate your professional responsibility. You must still review every suggestion carefully. My review concludes that Spellbook AI looks like an incredibly powerful tool for its intended legal audience, potentially living up to its name as a magical aid for contract work, provided you remember that the final spell always needs a wizard's touch. Spellbook offers tailored plans for law firms and in-house teams, both centered around the core Spellbook suite, which includes the Word add-in for tasks like review and drafting, plus a feature called Associate for multi-document work. The main difference is in the presentation of the offerings. The law firm's plan emphasizes boosting profitability and lists group training and online support, starting with a free trial. The in-house team's plan focuses on freeing up time and highlights a specific playbook build service, and it encourages you to book a demo. Both plans mention dedicated support for teams larger than 10 people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool demos, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next.